Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. Today I am going to show you how to enroll in free online courses in top universities in the world. If you are looking for free online courses from best universities in India, you can check my previous video on this, which is available in the description. Yeah, the course platform which I am going to discuss today is Coursera, which is one of the best online learning platform in the world. It was founded by Stanford University professors. So many of you are aware of Coursera, but in this video I am going to share some interesting things which will be more helpful. First of all, I will show you what are the free courses available in Coursera and how to enroll in the free courses. Second, I will show you how to apply for financial aid for any of the courses available in Coursera to get certification from the best universities in the world. First of all, I will show you the courses which I have enrolled and got certification from the Coursera. This is course on Introduction to Data Analysis using Excel from Rice University. This is course on Data Scientist Toolbox from Johns Hopkins University. Now let me show you how to enroll into the Coursera courses. Search for Coursera in Google, coursera.org. This is the Coursera website. You have to sign in to access the courses in the website. If you have already registered in Coursera, then you can select login, or else you can select join free to create an account in Coursera. I select join free first. This is the sign up page for creating account in Coursera. Select name, email ID, password and select join free. If you have already account in Coursera, then you can select login, enter your mail ID and password, or you can sign up using your Facebook account or Apple ID. I am selecting login now. You can see your profile here. Now I will show you how to access courses in Coursera. Go to explore. You can select using this domain, or you can search the course name directly in the search box. Suppose I want to do a course on data science. I type data science. Then the courses related to data science are displayed here. You can choose any of the course. Once you select the course, you will find the option here, enroll for free. Then it will show you the conditions for a 7 days free trial. This is the fee you have to pay after the free trial. If you select start free trial, then it will ask you to confirm the card details so that the fee will be charged after the 7-day free trial. This is how to enroll any courses in Coursera. Now I will show you how to find the free courses in Coursera. In search box, type free and enter. It is showing 1519 courses available for free. I select machine learning. Yeah, this is the title of this course, machine learning, and it is offered by Stanford University, and there is an option to enroll for free. Once I select this, I will find two options available. If you select this purchase course, you have to pay the fee for this and you will get a certificate from Stanford University. Otherwise, you can select free, then you will not get any certificate, but you can access the entire course for free and select continue, start learning. This is the course content of a machine learning course by Stanford University. This course content is designed as per weeks. I select start. This is the content available in week 1. All the course content available in Coursera are pre-recorded video content. Once you are done with the readings, go to quiz. This is the quiz. You have to select the options and go to submit. Once you submit, you will get a grade. Once you complete all the quizzes and graded assignments, then you will get the certification at the final week. This is how we enroll in the 1500 free courses, and you will not get any certifications for these free courses until you pay the required fee for the course. Now I search for a course on research. I select this course, methods and statistics in social sciences. Yeah, this is not the free course. If you select this one, you will get a 7-day free trial. After that, you will be charged this month. So close this. Now you can see a small option available here, that is financial aid, and it will ask you enroll or continue to the application. Yes, if you apply for the financial aid, you will get approval for the course after 15 days. Now I select continue to the application. Here you have to check box both this and I agree to the continue. This is the form for the financial aid. You have to fill the application form. Suppose I show you how to fill the form for a graduate student. I select college degree. Annual income will be 0. Employment status student. How much I can afford to pay, and why are you applying for the financial aid? I will type the reason. Like this, you have to mention the genuine reason for applying for financial aid to this course. Like this, you have to enter the objective of pursuing this particular course. And if you select no, then you have to mention why you are not interested in availing the loan for this course, like this, and submit application. Once you submit the application for financial aid, you will receive an email like this, outcome of your application on July 4th. After 15 days, you will get an email like this, tools and data science is approved. Then you select go to course, then you can start your course from here. This is how you apply financial aid for any course in Coursera. Similarly, you can apply for the financial aid whether you are a full-time employee or part-time employee. Like this, you can mention the genuine reason for applying for this financial aid. Similarly, the reason for enrolling in the particular course, then submit. you will get an approval after 15 days. Then you can go through the content of the course and submit all the quiz and graded assignments. Then you will get the certification from the university which has provided this course. That's it in this video. If you like this content, you can share it to your students and colleagues. And my next video will be on how to conduct online workshops, online meetings, or online classes using Google Meet. See you in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.